Hello Chartereds, how are you all? On behalf of JK Shah classes, I welcome you all for revision of accountancy lectures of Group 1 for your November 21 attempt Chartered. I am sure you must be preparing. These revision lectures are basically designed to show you what you are supposed to recap in your last moment. Correct? So it helps you to recapitulate your entire syllabus. Correct, Chartered, in a very fast track. Now, Chartered, before I enter into any chapter, let me first tell you how the paper pattern is all about. Now, your accounts Group 1. Accounts Group 1 is divided into first two parts. One is question number 1, 20 marks, and that is for accounting standards. Fair enough? Then you have got question 2 to question 6. It is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 questions. You have to of 20 marks each. Attempt any 4. So out of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, we are supposed to attempt any 4 questions of 20 marks. Obviously, one full question of 20 marks will come, yes. But all questions will be a full 20 marks? No. There will be subparts. It could be 8, 12, 10, 10, 6, 4, 10. So there could be 3 parts, 2 parts or 1 part to the question. Am I clear? But question number 1 of accounting standards will have 4 questions of 5 marks. Fair enough? Of 20 marks each, attempt 4 questions. In this, question 6 will have again 4 questions of 5 marks. So it is advisable that you attempt question 1 and question 6 mandatorily, because these are small, easy questions. So you can see accounting standard 20 mark over here, and you will have 1 question of accounting standards from here. So generally speaking, 25 marks of accounting standards. And group 1 accounting standards, believe me Chartered, that is very, very simple. So I would advise you, you should study 1 accounting standard daily. Minimum time it will take is 15 to 20 minutes for an accounting standard, and maximum time it will take 1.5 hours to revise group 1 accounting standard. So even if you do 1 accounting standard daily and keep on repeating them, if not 1, small standards you do 1, big standards if you have, then do half an hour in 2 days or 3 days. But make sure that you give at least half an hour, 45 minutes to ACE every day. So passing group 1 account, and this holds true for group 2 also, will become very easy, Chartered, from where you are supposed to study. So as far as ACE is concerned, just restrict yourself to JKSC material. Rest ACE ka revision lectures mein that would be discussed. Now we are over here. Correct? That is in question 2 to 5. I repeat, question 2 to 5 means 5 questions. 5 mein 6 is gone, so 4 questions. In this 4 question, 1 will be full 20 mark. The remaining will have 2 parts or 3 parts. Correct? So believe me, if you concentrate even on the easier papers or easier chapters, it is convenient to pass and pass with flying colors. Planning is very, very important. Correct, chartered? So this is all about your paper pattern. First thing which I wanted to say. Second thing, study from JKSC only, entire. Now when I say JKSC, that means entire class notes, entire classwork section, entire homework section, everything. One book, rigidly to be followed, plus whatever teacher has made you write in the class. That would be sufficient. Am I clear? So you should not concentrate anything beyond JKSC material. Correct? In this May attempt also, we had out of 125 marks, 100 marks from JKSC material. The paper is of 125 marks including the choice. So 100 marks was from JKSC material. This is not true only for the previous attempt, where the paper was considered to be little tricky. It is true for all the previous attempts also, chartered. You can rest assured. Correct? So, I hope you are aware of the paper pattern. Second, from where you are supposed to study, to give little more stress on accounting standards. Theory, apart from accounting standards, nothing. Theory only from accounting standards. Am I clear? As far as presentation is concerned, the way you have been asked to present the answer in the classroom, that is the best possible fashion you can present the answer. Am I clear? Concentrate more on giving your correct solution rather than on presentation. The handwriting should be neat, legible. That's it. Make sure that you do not make any scratches. Third important thing. Try to present answer in a systematic order. So when an examiner reads the answer, he should understand that there is a flow to the answer. A random solution over here, random account, random working notes pasted over here. Don't do it that way. Present it in a neat form, in chronological order. So when an examiner reads, he understands this is a reporting paper. Accounts is not the paper where you just get a correct answer and you get full marks. You get part marks also for your presenting the answer in the chronological stepwise fashion, chartered. So make sure the presentation is proper. That then very important thing. Try, chartered, to show all calculations possible. Because there are so many calculations which you do on the calculator, but do not bring it to the answer script. Don't do that. So make sure that all the calculations which you have done are there in the question paper, within the bracket or in the working note. Examiner should not feel that you have cheated any amount and pasted it. Am I clear? Wherever there is an ambiguity, wherever you feel that you require to write a note, make sure that the note is written. Correct? But unnecessary assumptions are also not required. Make sure that you do not make an unnecessary assumption. Try to take such assumptions because of which questions could not be solved. Correct? So I hope it is very clear what is your paper pattern, from where you are supposed to study. No theory other than accounting standards. Concentrate only on JKSC material. Try to present the answer in the stepwise chronological order. Format is important, but you do not get any extra marks for wonderful format. So do not waste too much of time in examination in drawing lines and all. Is that important? Yes. But the first priority is what? Correct solution. So first make sure that you do the solution correctly and then fill in, then do the necessary, making it look good. Make sure that your answer is flowing in a logical fashion. And chartered, try not to strike up the answers or cut too many places. Make sure that your presentation is neat. All calculations should be disclosed. Show all your assumptions in a clear one place, that these are the things which you have assumed in the paper. Am I clear? Apart from that, no short forms to be used. Now chartered, suppose you are preparing a Lucknow branch stock account. Correct? So you can write, wherever branch is mentioned, it implies Lucknow branch. So n number of times you don't have to write Lucknow branch. That you can write it initially. Then in amalgamation, there are names. That Ram Prasad and Company took over Hari Prasad and Company. So everywhere writing Ram Prasad and Hari Prasad becomes very difficult for you. So you can write Ram Prasad RM, Hari Prasad RP. Whatever it is, short forms HP. You can write it and then proceed. Am I clear? I am sure you would not have any further doubts. With that, we would move into a first chapter of our revision.